fast choreographer for as far as we actually make it today. Fingers crossed, all the way back and dry. That's always the goal, right? Yes, it is. All right, please remain seated. Supervise your children. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. We're now going through the Amazon rainforest, but some of you might have missed it. Go nice and slow. Nice and slow. Get the full effect. All right, quick show of hands. How many of you guys want to see some danger? Right there. Right there. Yep. Now, if you all look over to the right-hand side of the boat, you're going to see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where famed archaeologist Dr. Henry Indiana Jones is searching for the world's greatest treasure, when in reality, I've actually been right over here this whole time. Oh. Right over here is the Himalayan tiger. Yeah. Sometimes Himalayan over there, sometimes Himalayan back there, and sometimes Himalayan right here in the boat. All right. Then right over here we have a statue of an elephant looking for his contact lens. And that signifies that we are coming out into a sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Now folks, feel free to take all the photos you want because they are, of course, wearing their trunks. Alright, you guys want the good news or the bad news?
Good news.
I don't have any. So if you didn't hear, they just made an announcement for all the boats to hold position. So we're going to just stay here for a little bit. And it's going to be right next to a screaming elephant. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys a story. Are you ready for the story? How many of you know who Walt Disney is? Yeah? Do you know what his favorite thing to do was? He liked to play a train. He did make ice cream for the kids with all the Imagineers, but he loved to make nature documentaries. So that's why this attraction is here. He loves nature documentaries. And he wanted people to experience real life animals up close. So what he did is he went over to Florida Park when the attraction first opened, and there used to be an alligator farm there, and he borrowed some baby alligators. And when they got a little bit bigger, they would trade them in and get new smaller little baby alligators. The one thing nobody ever told Walt Disney was that alligators can climb fences. So these baby alligators would always escape. And over the year that we had them, they would climb out, get caught, they'd come back in. But there were 3 that got out, and they would never found them. So we like to think that they're still here, living in the rivers of America, just eating nothing but strollers and turkey legs. So, if you guys sometime today go for a canoe ride, make sure you keep your hands out of the water. Not just because that water is nasty, because there might be an alligator there just waiting for a small child. Wait a minute. Further hearing now, this track is running. Leave it up, good?
Alright, they're not going to answer. Let's go anyways. Pretend like things are moving.
Alright, are you guys all ready for a big surprise?
Yeah.
You don't have a choice in the matter. Are you ready for a big surprise? Alright, I'm going to introduce you to Squirt. Squirt is one of our Indian elephants that we have trained to get all of you guys wet. He's going to come up, he's going to pick a target and then dive back into the water. There he goes. He's going to pop up and get somebody wet. Who's it going to be? 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 Who's going to be? Who's going to be? Who's going to be? Folks, I'm just kidding. I would never put you guys in real danger like that. Come on. Oh my gosh, real danger. Let's get closer. What's going on? Oh my gosh, I see it. Alright, folks. Now, if y'all will go to the left-hand side of the boat right now, you'll see absolutely nothing. Make sure to get a picture of absolutely nothing, or your friends will never believe that you saw absolutely nothing. Alright, well, I made it out there okay. That's the most important thing. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Oh, this waterfall. Every time I get to this waterfall, I always make a right turn and it's nothing but trouble. So this time we're going to make a left-hand turn. Say it with me, folks. Left-hand turn. Left-hand turn. Left-hand turn. Left-hand turn.
Oh, no. Right-hand turn.
No, left-hand turn.
Right.
What? Wait a minute. How did you guys mess this up? All right, we're now going up the Nile River. Oh, right over here is an African bull elephant. That is the largest land mammal in the world, although I am working on that. Oh, it's Bobo! Bobo came out to greet us! Bobo is my favorite elephant in the jungle. He really is. Hey, Bobo, how are you? And your friend? I'm so sorry to hear that. You know, relationships are hard. Why are you laughing? He has feelings. He's not made of plastic, as far as you know. No, this is awkward. I have to work with him. I see him every 7.5 minutes. All right, we're now coming out to the African belt. Right over here on the shoreline, we have some Hartman's mountain zebras. And then those tall things in the back, those are trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Right over here is a pride of lions. It looks like they are eating a zebra. You know, it's actually very, very difficult to split up a zebra because lightning, darkning, lightning, darkning, lightning, darkning, lightning, darkning, lightning, darkning. Oh my gosh, Skipper Felix, what are you doing? You're never supposed to get out of the phone. That's so dangerous. Although you do have those hyenas laughing at you, that's better than what I have over here. Hold on, gotta make this turn really quick. We're now turning into a hippo pool. Hold on. Hold on. That didn't work. Now, we're now coming into a hippo pool. Hippos are the most aggressive and most dangerous animals in the jungle. No, wait, sorry, that's children. That's children. But hippos are a close number 2, so I'm going to fire a couple warning shots and scare these hippos off. Everybody, cover your ears! Bad hippo! Bad hippo! I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Teenagers. You know how I know that hippo's a teenager? Watch when he goes under the water, you'll see the attitude right at the end. Watch him. Watch him. And right there. Did you see it? Yeah. Oh, it's Skipper Felix's boat. Oh, that reminds me, you know what? People keep telling me that a monkey can do my job, but I just want to point out for a fact that these are all apes. So I guess an ape could do my job. That's still better, right? I don't think your silent confusion is a yes, Skipper Red. That's so much better. You're the best Skipper we've ever had. Thank you so much. It's nice of you to say. Oh, hey, wait a minute. I know these two chimpanzees. The one at the top is a net. Now that joke is funnier when she's holding a net. Because she's a really great catch. Where's my money, Annette? Oh yeah, pretend like you don't know me? Oh. Never lend bananas to a monkey. Alright folks, I know you're not here for my corny jokes. You're here for one thing and one thing only. And here we are, the fabulous, the amazing, the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water! Woo indeed. Oh, whoa, a head on your left. Alright, we're now entering into the piranha pools. Everybody that had those half-price, halfway tickets, this is your stop. Nobody? Alright, well these piranha, they also like younger siblings. Anybody have a younger sibling they're no longer using? Nope? Alright, never mind. Then we'll just keep going. Oh, right over here is a python in a tree. Do you know the easy way to tell the difference between a python and a boa? Pythons don't have any feathers. Yeah, think about it. True. Oh, right over here is Clear Sam's Lost and Found Gift Shop. You guys look about halfway up, you're going to see 2 monkeys up on a photograph. They have been up there spinning round and round and round like that for almost an entire week now. I mean, at this point, it's got to be a record. Hey, Ellie, how are you? Are those allergies any better? You know, a lot of people think that that's water coming out of Ellie's throat, but I can assure you, it's not. Does it feel like water? Because it's not. Alright, we're now making the most dangerous turn of our entire journey. The return to civilization. And that, of course, means 2 things. First, it means that our romantic cruise is now over. Aww. But it also means that you have all survived the world-famous jungle cruise, so give yourselves a round of applause. And I just need to remind you all to please remain seated, supervise your children, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Folks, I had so much fun taking you all out to the jungle. I hope you all enjoyed being taken. Can't say that. All right. I enjoyed having you all. I hope you all enjoyed being had. How was that worse? That was nice. One more time.
It was good.
Get out.
Okay.
Yeah, woo! All right.